Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a slide switch to a battery. First, identify the terminals on your slide switch. Typically, there are 3, but for a simple on/off, you'll use 2. Next, gather your battery, the device you wish to power, and appropriate wires. Understanding the basic circuit is key. Power flows from the battery, through the switch, to your device, and back to the battery. Now, let's wire it up. Take a wire from the positive terminal of your battery and connect it to one of the outer terminals on your slide switch. Then, connect another wire from the other outer terminal of the switch to the positive input of your device. Finally, complete the circuit by connecting the negative terminal of your battery directly to the negative input of your device. With your connections made, it's time to test. Slide the switch to the on position and observe if your device powers up. If it doesn't, don't worry. First, double-check all your wire connections to ensure they are secure and correctly placed. Sometimes a loose wire is the culprit. If issues persist, a multimeter can help you verify continuity and voltage flow. Safety is paramount in any electrical project. Always use wires with the correct gauge for the current your circuit will carry to prevent overheating. It's also crucial to insulate all exposed wire connections with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to avoid accidental short circuits. Remember, a well-built circuit is a safe circuit. And speaking of things that make life better, check the description for a link to grab some little trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.